Welcome everybody, how you doing? Today it's me, Chris, over here from Cris Entertains. We have officially changed our name and we're officially building a whole new gaming PC. We're gonna be building in this case. We got some parts here. We're just gonna go ahead and build the PC and hopefully you guys enjoy. If not, you know, take it easy. But welcome to the new name, welcome to the channel, and whoever is here, thank you for tuning in, and let's get on with it. Actually, no, it's gonna run on 1, 2, 3, 5 of them, but you'll see what I'm talking about on the case when I get to the case right now. So let's go ahead and start with the easiest thing, fastest thing. Let's go ahead and put in the processor into its slot. Gold dot to the triangle. Done as many times on stream. Let's just drop her in. Bam, done with that. And then let's go ahead and open the channels we're gonna use. I'm gonna be using the RAM that I have in my hand. Some Corsair Vengeance Pro. Put them in the DIMM slots. 1. It's gonna be a RTX 2080. Now we're gonna add our NVMe SSD. I need my little one. Okay, perfect. Win. Alright, M.2 is done. That's done. That's done. So we're done with this for right now. So how's it going, Izzy? Put that over there for now. Now let's go ahead and work on the case. We'll be changing camera angle for you guys right now. But here is the case that we're going to be using. This case is only temporarily being used from us. And then I'm gonna strip her apart so I can kind of get her ready for motherboard and all the good stuff. This is the case we're using because I wanted better airflow for this build. All right, let's go ahead and put her in. So we need 1, 2, 3 extra screws. So let's go ahead and add those first. Just add in some screws real quick, guys, and then we're gonna keep proceeding to the best parts, and it's putting the AIO. Yeah, it's a same motherboard. I like using Strix. They have a good design, beautiful layout. All right, we're back to putting this in. Goofy, what's up, no monies? The goofball. Okay, that looks good. Let's go up a bit. You ready for some motorboating? All right, so now we're gonna move on to doing this bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. We're gonna add a Cooler Master Liquid ML240L RGB into the case. So let's get ready for liquid cooling. Ooh, I hope I don't get screwed right now because I think I might have to add a mount. And if that's the case, I basically did a lot of this work for nothing right now. At least putting the motherboard in. When the tubes come in, we'll probably do that first instead. All right, so we're gonna install this. We're gonna put on the fans on it, and then we'll go from there. All right. So now we are gonna bring in the wires and push them through. Grab you, grab you. Slowly, my legs still killing me from yesterday though. Why are your legs killing? So now we gotta grab our water cooler. This is how she's gonna go in. Yep. Now we gotta do that part. This is the part I hate with water coolers because they are very, very sensitive sometimes when you put them in. That side is attached. Yes, it is. Now we go to the next side. All right, guys, now we move on to doing some wiring, test fitting, making sure that everything's gonna fucking power on, because we're pretty much done on the aesthetics part, at least. Huh?
Where do you want me to put this?
Somewhere where you can read the comments. Again, right now the cable management that is coming out to the front is just so we could test the PC. And then we go into full cable management when it gives us a post. When it gives us a post, then we move on and finish the whole build up.
So you can read the comments.
Oh. She's on. Again, we are making sure that everything is running. No, we got boot. There's boot. Green light is on. Let me grab Seda real quick. Let me show you how she looks. Because we're not done. Like, all the cables coming from the front are just the way they are. Right now, they're not done. I gotta go to the back and plug everything in from the back. Grab this and let there be light. Oh yeah, I actually love how it looks. What do you think? At least from what you're seeing. All right, baby, let's finish up. This is just us testing it, making sure she turns on. Something you want to make sure it's done before you move on with your full build. I highly recommend doing something like this when you're building a PC. Because if you cable manage everything, you think everything's just gonna turn on the first time around. You could get a rude awakening and something could be broken, or you don't know at that point. You really don't know. You really don't know. And with us now doing post, it's easy to just now grab your cables that you just used and kind of making sure that everything goes through where you need it to go, like we are right now. So with this done, let's put on the back. Where's the white screws for the back?
You should probably get another extension.
I'm gonna fix everything. Holy f, that looks nice.
I'm gonna take a picture. Is that okay?
Yeah. Welcome to the new gaming PC. Might have to grab you one. You like how this one looks? I'll build you one exactly like this, bro. I think it looks fucking awesome. I personally think I killed it on this one. I think that. What do you guys think, though?
Yeah.
Where I leave another little part? There's a little part I was touching and I don't know where I left it. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. See ya.